And with them, I will make orange skid marks.
On all the rocks you pass. What? Just orange skid marks everywhere you go.
My skids and their skid marks.
All right, time to do some skids.
Yeah, I'm excited. It needs it. I think we've scratched everything underneath the vehicle, and we're getting close to possibly popping something that holds oil.
Well, I've already dented in my transmission oil pan, so definitely need the transmission skid, which is that one, I believe.
Right here in the center.
That's our diff skid. And this is the main engine skid.
Beautiful.
ASFIR is known for really only one thing, and that is skid plates. They do skid plates for most production vehicles, some older models, but a lot of the newer stuff you'll definitely find they're great quality craftsmanship. You know,
these are beefy but light. I think they're 3/8 inch thick plate aluminum. They're cut out for weight savings, and then also for both transmission and engine. They've got cutouts right in the correct spot for accessing maintenance on oil. So you don't need to remove them after you put them on. But they offer a decent amount of protection for, this whole skid is like 2 pounds.
Right, and one thing to note is they do come full bare aluminum. And Eric has actually gone the extra mile and made these gorgeous on this orange powder coat. It looks so good.
They're gonna match nicely. It'll be that extra little Easter egg of color. People won't really see it unless the vehicle's doing something stupid. But,
right, which hopefully is often, so we'll see.
That'll be often enough. But brackets I did all in black to match the bumpers and rock rails. I think the brackets are all out of steel. So the brackets add some extra weight, and they use spots on the vehicle that already exist. So no drilling, just basic hand tools. They provide some bolts that are extra long when needed, but otherwise you just reuse the stock hardware in some cases.
On my car, we actually did this on the ground. So having a lift here at the shop is better. It was super easy just doing it in my driveway.
Yeah.
I imagine it's going to be even
wrenching like this.
Correct.
So this should make it go faster. Either way, I think it was an easy install.
Super easy.
And now we know what we're doing, so it should go a little bit faster.
Ready?
I think so.
Let's go. So we're gonna go ahead and pre-assemble some of these brackets. With those on, now we can install the skid.
Looks good, man.
Just gotta tighten it up.
And with them, I will make orange skid marks.
On all the rocks you pass. Enjoy it. It's last time it's gonna look that pretty. Now we're ready to move on to the transmission skid. Eric's giving it one last polish. It's never gonna look this pretty again. We're gonna get our brackets mounted and then the skid in place. Okay, that's 1, 2.
You had it pocketed.
So this bracket just fits right into the factory locations right here. So we have an already threaded hole right here. Nothing else is using it, and that's where they mount the side bracket for the transmission skid. Just like that. So there is a bracket that drops in right into this little slot right here, form of this guy. So this one gets placed in. You're just gonna have to hold on top of it as you thread in. If you thread in real lightly, it should catch and you won't have it move out of place.
This front two started and we'll just hold it in place.
There's one. Now that we have everything hand tight, we're gonna go back in and torque everything down. Now we're gonna pull off the stock plastic skid and replace it with the ASFIR unit. It's pretty easy to get this skid off. You have a bunch of plastic clips up front, and then we've got what looks like somewhere in the realm of a 12 or a 13 here, here, and here So, and here. So you have 4 13s and then like a couple plastic clips that we're gonna pull off of here. We got a couple on the side, one in the wheel well right here. Most of these come out easy. I always remember that one on the front being a little bit of a jerk. All right. And then we have one at the upper end of the wheel well, which we're gonna use. So you're gonna wanna keep these ones in good condition because you're gonna reuse some of these clips for the side brackets on the skid. We will not be reusing this hardware. Look at the angle. Look at the angle on this one. Straight down. This got pushed in. You can even see where it's buckled right here.
You can see the bolt all the way in.
And then move the bolt.
It's like a pry bar. I did too much.
I think that's good. Good enough for Hood's 4. Now we're installing the side brackets.
Yeah,
Skids is done, man.